Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. This is Python W3 School Series Day 21. In these videos, we are seeing string built-in methods. In previous video, we have seen encode method and ends with method. So, in today's video, we will see expand tabs method and find method. After that, we will see all the remaining methods one by one. So let's get started. In previous videos, we already seen Python intro, syntax, comments, variables, data types, everything. Now we are doing Python strings. In that we are seeing built-in methods. So we will see one by one. Now click on expand tabs. This built-in method is used to, it will set the tab size of the string. And find method, it is used to search the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. So first we will see expand tabs method. So click on that. Now we will see this example practically. Here set the tab size to 2 white spaces. So txt equal to h e l l o. So here txt dot expand tabs 2. Here 2 is the white spaces, 2 white spaces we need. So print x. Now click on try it yourself. Now you can see here we are giving tab space after h, after t, like after l, after l. Like that we are giving tab spaces, white spaces we are giving. So we are getting output like this. This is the usage of expand tabs method. Now we will see definition and usage. Expand tab, it is a built-in method used to set the tab size to the specified number of white spaces. So here string.expand tabs tab size. Tab size tab size is optional. Tab size is a number of specifying the tab size. Here default size is 8. Now we will see more example. See the result using different tab sizes. So here we are not giving nothing. Here we are giving 2 tab spaces, 4 tab spaces, 10 tab spaces. So we will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. See how we are getting. First we are printing X. So we are getting like this. And after that we are printing no expand expand tabs, and after that we are giving 2 white spaces, and after that 4, and after that 10. So in this way we are getting the output by using expand tabs. Now we will see find method. Now click on that. Now scroll down. Here Python string find method. Here this method is used to find the position of that string. So here text equal to hello welcome to my world. Here we are using find method to find welcome. So x equal to txt dot find welcome. After that we are printing x value. So click on try it yourself. We will see this example practically. Now it is giving the position of welcome. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will start from 0 to 7 and it will give position of welcome. So welcome is at 7th position. So it is giving output as 7. Now we will see definition and usage. Here find method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. So it will give first occurrence of that specified value. And find method returns -1 if the value is not found. So find method is almost the same as the index method. We have one index method. It is same as that. So the only difference is that index method raises an exception if the value is not found, but in find method we are getting -1 as the value if the specified value is not found. Now we will see that syntax string dot find value comma start comma end. Here value is required, so it will search for the specified value, and start and end is optional. So here start, where to start the search, default is 0, and end parameter, and it is also optional. Where to end the search, default is to end of the string. We will see more examples here. Where in the text is the first occurrence of the letter E. So txt equal to hello, welcome to my world. Here x equal to txt dot find E. So we are printing x value. Now click on try it yourself. Now it is giving like 0, 1. At one position we have E value. So it is giving 1 as the output. Now we will see more examples. Now here, where in the text is the first occurrence of the letter E when you only search between position 5 and 10. Here they are specifying start and end position. So here txt equal to hello, welcome to my world, x equal to txt dot find E comma 5 comma 10. So here it is giving E value, 5 is the start value and start position value, and this 10 is the end position value. After that we are printing x value. So click on try it yourself. See here we are getting 8th position. So from 5th to 10th we have E value at the 8th position. So it is giving 8. Now we will see this example. If the value is not found, the find method returns -1, but the index method will raise an exception. So we will compare find method and index method. Here text equal to hello, welcome to my world, print txt dot find q. Here we are using find method to find q value. Here find position, print txt dot index q. So we will compare this find method and index method. So click on try it yourself. Here q is not found. So in find method it will give -1. So we got -1. And in index, if the value specified is not found, it will throw an exception. So it is throwing an exception. Here substring not found is the value error. This is the difference between find method and the index method. In today's video, we have seen two methods. One is find and one is expand tabs method. I hope everyone clear with this two built-in methods. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.